Imagine this. Your phone rings, you pick it up, and a voice says there's been an emergency. And then click, they hang up. Your heart jumps, your mind races. What happened? Who was involved? Where? When? Why? How? In that moment, you're drowning in mystery, and the only reason you feel confused is because you don't have the answers. But here's the twist. We live like this all the time. Not with phone calls, but with everyday situations and our own assumptions. We jump to conclusions. We fill in the blanks with guesses, and without even realizing it, we choose to live in mystery instead of clarity. But we can break that habit. Whenever you face a situation, big or small, the key is to understand the basics, the fundamentals, the same questions that every detective, journalist, and problem solver uses. What actually happened? Who was involved? Where did it take place? When did it occur? Why did it happen? And how did it unfold? These questions are your flashlight in the dark. Now let's go back to that phone call. The call comes in, there's been an emergency, but if you can answer those 6 questions, suddenly the mystery disappears. You're not confused anymore. You're informed. You can act, you can respond, you can help. The more of these questions we can answer, and the more defined our answers to these questions are, the better the correct path comes into focus. But too often we skip this step in real life. We assume someone's intentions. We assume the meaning behind a text message. We assume why someone reacted a certain way. And those assumptions will lead us straight into the wrong conclusions. They'll lead us straight into unnecessary stress and avoidable conflict. But when we stop assuming and start investigating, everything changes. We make better decisions, personally, professionally, spiritually. We can respond instead of react to the circumstances. We gain confidence because we understand what's actually happening. And most importantly, we find peace because clarity replaces confusion. Now, it might sound simple, but mastering the basics, who, what, when, where, why, and how, they transform the way we navigate our lives. We don't have to live in mystery. We can start living in understanding and rise above the confusion.